Hi, everyone. In this session, we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about cost catalogs. So what we're referring to as a cost catalog in Buildern is going to be kind of your price book that is listing your main items, the ones that you are using for your projects, for your estimates, for your bid requests, purchase orders, etc., etc. So to access the cost catalog in Buildern, what you're going to do is click on this template and click the cost catalog section. From here, you will access it and you will see all the cost catalogs that you have created or are going to create. So to create a cost catalog, the first thing that you are going to do is create a specific category for that cost catalog. So I'm going to do that by clicking on Add Category. I'm going to name the category. I can choose if I want this to be a subcategory to any previous ones that I've created. If no, I'm just going to click Save. And here I have the one that I just created. You can see at the moment it's blank. So we can go ahead and we can start adding the items. To add items, there are two ways that we can do it. So it's either going to be by clicking on this import button and choosing where is it that I want to import from. If it's an Excel, if it's from Zero or any other software, I'm going to click continue, download the template, fill it out by following the steps, coming back here, dropping it, and it will be imported. The other way is going to be to manually add line items to my cost catalog. So I can do it by clicking on this and choose what is it exactly that I want to import. Do I want a material, a labor, an equipment, subcontractor fee, allowance, or assemblies? So let's say I want to add a material, right? I'll click on it. I can still choose to change my mind if I want to. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start creating my items. I can choose to have the category or maybe add it to another category. I can choose to have a cost code, a unit type, and I'm going to choose my cost. So I'm going to say it's $50. I can add a markup or not. By the way, it can be a percentage markup, flat amount, or dollar by unit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say I'm going to add a 20% markup. And from here, you can select a sub vendor if you want to, not required, brand, SKU number, URL, description, internal notes, attachments, and you're ready to add this item. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click Add Item, and there we go. The item just got added to my cost catalog. I can go ahead and I can create another one. Let's say we're creating a labor for this time. I'm going to say this is the name. Same thing, category, cost code, unit type, unit cost, markup, selecting a vendor or sub vendor, and creating add item. And this also just got added. So these are going to be the two ways where you can get started on creating your catalog, either by importing it or adding the line items after line items. So there are a couple of other things that we can do within the cost catalog, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to discuss about those on another video. Thank you very much. See you next time.